So I want to hear from you from coming onto this program the last 5 months or thereabout as a novice to where you are now, the PMs, the BAs, the tester. How do you feel? How comfortable are you? How confident are you? And what would you say about advanced careers? I will start with Kate.
Baby, sorry, please, can someone talk first? I'm just trying to pick this sort out my little boy.
All right,
I'm so sorry.
no worries. Tobe, can you go next? Make it as brief as possible.
All right. I would say I've gained a lot within this short period with advanced career. Before I joined, I spoke with David and I carried out my own personal research. And one thing that stood out for me was just the practical aspect of the whole training. And the internship was really amazing. And we actually got a hands-on experience in terms of working on projects, and to an extent, it gave me that confidence. And not only that, I was able to make friends with committed BAs and other team members, really that really been outstanding and still helpful right now. We are now searching out and then reaching out, knowing that by the time we start attending or getting interviews and all that stuff, we'll gain more confidence. We'll still come back to advanced careers for direction. I know it's not over yet. We say this is a kind of a long-term partnership that we're going into advanced career, and we're going out there as good ambassadors, and to also speak the gospel of advanced career to the whole world. Thank you very much, Dave. Thank you to the team, and I appreciate the opportunity and then the knowledge I've gotten from advanced career. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tobe.
Yeah.
Maxat.
Hi everyone. I just want to say thank you to the whole team of Advanced Career. Thank you, David, Juliet, Kate, and everyone, and the BAs as well. They've all been so nice and helpful. I've learned so much that I talk to my friends like all the time. If you want to go into anything regarding IT, it has to be Advanced Career because you've helped me so much. I have so much confidence now. Not 100%, let me say 90%, but I'm still learning and I'm happy. If I'm gonna do any IT, I'm gonna come back to Advanced Career. Thank you so much, David and Tosin, Kate, Nikki, Tobe, and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Maxat. Kate, when you're ready, you let us know. Titi Lokwe, I know you guys had some challenges, but
Okay. Good evening, everyone, once again. Yes, so actually, advanced careers has been helpful. I know for some time I've been off, like I wasn't regular, and with the help of, I had to stand on David's neck, and my colleague Sunji has been really helpful. I'll keep saying that to everyone, and at least when I got back, I was lost, but now I'm at least about 70% sure of myself, and I'm still working on myself. And I know by the time I'm done with the whole project, because I was fixed with another one, I'm sure I'll be very, very confident about myself. And like David said, you just don't being on what you are being taught on advanced careers, make research, and learn more from other places. And I've been doing that, and it's been working for me. So thank you, David.
you're welcome. Yeah, so the testers, they have a bit of a challenge because they don't have much to do until we get to the development stage. So that gap is always a challenge. But now we have ongoing project. We can just put you on another project, then bring you back to the original project we want to put you on. I know Nika has done so much. So Nika, you can go next.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Yeah, well, before I move on saying anything, I just want to say thank you so much, Advanced Career. Thank you, David Tosin, and my mentor, Juliet.
Thank you, Tosin. That's true.
Juliet, but she's not here. Well, I can say that I started this course with, let me say, zero knowledge, because this is not my field at all. And I could still remember how I felt the very first meeting or the second meeting we had. No, after the training, I was telling David that my confidence so far is nothing to write home about. But at the moment, I'm so glad my confidence has increased. So I appreciate you for everything you have done. And the team I work with as well, the BAs, the PM, the testers, we really had a good relationship. I thank you all. And what else again? So far, I just want to say something. It's truly we are closing the project, but I know that we are not closing the relationship. And I still believe that we are still working together. And then in future, every one of us, at least wherever we are, we can still say, yes, this is my friend, this is my colleague at a point in time. So I appreciate you. And as many people as I can come in contact with, I can boldly recommend Advanced Career to them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nike. You're also working on another project already with us. Thank you. And
Yeah.
I think I remember that conversation we held. You were almost giving up. You know, it's like this is not for me. But I told you just go through the process, trust the process. It's gonna work out for you, and I'm glad it did. Adetunji,
Hello everyone.
hi Tunji.
To play being in advanced career. To be honest, I've learned with the little project that we did, I've learned a lot. The experience is improving gradually. I want to say thank you to David. Thank you to the advanced career team. Thank you to my mentor, Bidemi. He has done so much for me. He really tried. Then to my team, I want to say thank you to everyone. Advanced career is a place to learn. In fact, the confidence is building gradually, though I'm not yet there, but for now, the little I've learned, okay, I believe I can stand before an interview panel, speak up
Okay.
and before, because 2018 I did my certification exam, ISTDQ foundation, and I passed. Well, without any experience, I wouldn't do anything. So, but today, I'm happy where dance career is a place to be.
Awesome.
Thank you, David.
Thanks. All right, we have just one more person. If Kate is ready, if she's not, then
Yeah, it's been a great experience. I've learned a lot. It's not just helped me out in the exams I'm writing currently because I'm doing my PMP now.
okay.
It's also been really, really great for my current job. So there's a lot of projects that I'm already currently managing, which is great.
Awesome.
And then when you have, because I work in an IT firm, so when you get the IT people talking about some things, I already know what they're talking about, which is really, really good. So yeah, it's been a great experience. I just want to use this opportunity, same as others, to thank you all for playing that part in my life, because I feel like this is something that is destined to happen for me to be here with you all right now and through the project as a whole. So I thank you, David, especially for that first time you called me and told me to come on board.
Yeah.
Thank you for that, and also thank you, Tosin. And I want to use this opportunity really to say well done to Tosin particularly, because I know it's not easy having to do all she's been doing and also taking care of the kids. You know, so well done to you, Tosin. Thank you for all you do. The BS, thank you for being such a great team. And the tester as well, thank you so much for being there through till the end. Whenever I send my messages, you're always here. So I just want to thank you all for being who you are thank you, Advanced Careers, for the opportunity as well. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm kind of, if you can see me right now, I'm crying tears of joy or cry of joy. I'm happy that we pulled this one out. It's awesome. Thank you so much. Also, yes, I want to say a massive thank you to Tosin. She has been a superwoman, trust me, managing the program and managing the PM training as well. And as you said, managing kids is not that easy. Sometimes I wonder where the strength of women comes from. We men, we are so lazy, we just have ideas, but it is you guys that execute it. So I say thank you as well. Thanks for appreciating also what we've done so far. It is only God. Right now is the next phase. We are still with you on the next phase. Trust me, we're going to be with you until you get a job. And also after that, we are still going to try as much as possible to play a part in your career. So long as you call on Advanced Careers, it doesn't matter how big we become, we will be there for you. So thank you so much.